Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Tuesday, April 5th, 1:07 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. I was going to start off showing my day trades, but let me start off showing you my swing trades because I just had a position get closed out. So I did swing trades yesterday and they were set to expire this Friday with options. I wasn't going to stay until max income nor to expiration. Placed my trade here yesterday. These are daily candles, the SPX, S&P 500 cash index. I did beer call spreads up here. Yesterday afternoon, I think I placed them, and they already got closed out for 50% gains because today was a down day. So we had two green up days, Friday, Monday, and because we were trending up, contrarian, I went bearish. So sold off today. I'm a happy camper. Now I'll look to reload in the afternoon with more options that expire tomorrow as well as this Friday. And because we're down red, I'm being contrarian. I'll be looking to be bullish trades down here, somewhere with bull put spreads. Okay, now onto my day trades. Took 4 day trades today. First one was a loss, shame on me. Second one was flat. Actually got out the same price I got in, just paid fees, commission. Third one was a win, made back half of what I originally lost. And fourth one was a win, end up being green above. So again, could have been worse, could have been red, but that's good. So we're looking here at 5-minute candles, day trading. I scalping. I highly recommend you use 5 minutes or 1 minute charts. We're looking here again at the 5-minute chart in the S&P 500 futures. First trade was at 802. The reason why I've been bullish because I saw this level of 45.70 acting as a demand zone, broke above it, did a retracement, and after that inside candle, I went bullish, break above it. Yeah, so my setup I was happy with, but let's look here at the 1 minute. No, let's go back forward. And then it reversed, went lower, lower, lower. And I got out here. Tight stop. I think it was, I moved up my stop. I originally had like 5 points, no, 10-point stop, and I moved it up, but still got lost, and I should have got it sooner. Looking here at the 1 minute. Here's the 1 minute. Go forward. So I had gains for the first few minutes, but I was greedy. I wanted more. And then rolled over, went lower. Got out here. Yep. So let's look at the next trade. Again, start off with the 5 minutes. Oops. So I bought here, went long because we broke above, saw a reversal, didn't get in early enough. So again, I got in too late. And there wasn't much more to be made, but I still went in. And then I closed within that same 5-minute candle because I was saying that I was understanding that it was overextended. Thank goodness I got out of it. Let's go to the forward a little bit more because it ended up rolling over. Yep. Let's go look at the 1 minute. See on the entry was here again, bullish. I went long there. Got out 2 minutes later, still flat, only paid commission fees. And then went up a little bit higher, but again, rolled over. So thank goodness I got out of it. You see, it went a consolidation phase over here. So when it was into that consolidation phase, I was thinking it's more weakness. Back here on the 5 minute, I already knew on the 5 minute, this 45.70, which was acting as resistance. When we broke above it, we had support, but once we broke below it, okay, that was resistance, lower highs. So I was leaning bearish bias. That 45.70 was my resistance level. So I was looking to trade bearish short. And I did, because I was viewing these charts, these candles as distribution. Smart money was selling. So I got in, willing to risk my stop up there, 45.70, entry short there. And immediately, next 5 minute candle started to break down, already in fast gains. Went down even faster, fast gains. And then swing low, this blue horizontal line was overnight low. And I was thinking, yeah, it may not break that right away. It may just test it and reject it. So I closed it. Thank goodness I closed it because it was a fast reversal. So that was a fast sell-off, gave me nice gains. Look on the 1 minute. And here's my entry. Broke that key level I mentioned here, 45.65, and coming down to that overnight low. So that's where I closed it. When this one more fast impulse moved down, got out of it. Thank goodness. Because like I said, fast reversal. Again, scalping. 1 minute or 5 minute charts. I'm looking for my entries and exits. Let's take the last one. There we go. I waited till after the cash market opens. That was after 9:30. So here I went bearish. That was at 9:48. Yeah, 9:48. I went short because as soon as I saw this forming, this is the third 5 minute candle, completing the first 15 minutes. So I labeled the first 15-minute high, first 15-minute low. Yes, these are 5 minute candles, but all together, first 15 minutes. And after I saw this first red candle on top, I'm interpreting that as a bearish pin bar, looking to go short on a break below that. And it did, went lower. Closed my trade there. You see this on a 1 minute. We'll go to 1 minute in a second. Thank goodness I closed it because it was a fast reverse. So again, make good money on that. Let's look at the 1 minute. Here we are, the 1 minute. Go forward. So here, bearish pin bar, even on the 1 minute, which was similar to that 5 minute, like I mentioned right there. Did this retest here. And I was saying, wow, okay, now I'm looking more likely I want to trade bearish. I didn't have a preference yet. I was just waiting. And then I took it, went short. And it went lower real fast. Closed it right here. Thank goodness I closed it. It was a fast gain. And reversed. Interesting. Again, it was going down to this big quarters, 45.75. That was my original target. And then I was thinking maybe it'd go lower, lower, lower. But again, first candle that went below it, had that tail on the bottom. I thought it would reverse, and thank goodness I did, because it eventually did reverse. So again, fast trades. And then I left for the day. Now that I'm back, you see what happened. Yeah, a lot more volatility. So this first 5 minute candle was very volatile. And after I left, closed down my computer here, left for the day, come back, see all this more volatility. And that more volatility helped my swing trade on the bear call spreads get closed out. Okay. Now you know a little bit more about swing trading and day trading. And what my next trades are will be this afternoon for swing trades. plus this evening for swing trades with the S&P 500 futures.